My favorite way to record bass into the T8 is to lay down a drum pattern and then go into bass, make sure I've cleared it back to no triggers activated, turn on the keyboard mode, which will give me a 1 octave chromatic keyboard. And at the moment you can see this button is flashing. That means it's currently set down an octave from its original pitch. So I can hit that one next to it, which says Oct Plus. That will take me back to the original octave. If I hit that minus again, and again, I can keep going down in octaves. So I'll get it to a point where it's not flashing, and then I can start playing along. My favorite way is to jam a little bass line that I like along with the drum beat. I like that. And once I'm ready, I can hit the record button and you'll see the ST in the top left corner is now showing, which is each of the steps. There's 16 steps available to me, and I can now play along live and record that in. And you can hear it's recorded in, and it's quantized it so that it sits nicely with the drum machine. Once I'm finished with that, I can press the record button again. It will take me back to the drum machine. I can turn off the keyboard, and I can see the steps are in there now, and it's even allocated the pitch that I chose to play in the keyboard, and I can press the play button to stop.